Welcome to my channel where power meets perfection and every car tells a story. Today, you're about to witness something truly extraordinary. This isn't just another supercar showcase, this is the McLaren 720S Black Edition, a dark masterpiece born from pure performance and passion. There are cars that move, and then there are cars that speak. Not with words, but with the deep, thunderous sound of a V8 coming alive. This is the McLaren 720S Black Edition, a machine so beautifully engineered it feels less like metal and more like a living, breathing creature sculpted from shadows. As the sunlight hits the deep gloss black paint, reflections dance across every curve of the body, clean, elegant, and dangerously perfect. It's early morning on the highway. The road is clear, the air is crisp, and this black masterpiece stands silent, waiting for the driver's command. From above, the drone view reveals the perfection of proportions, wide stance, aerodynamic lines flowing like liquid, and a design language that balances beauty with aggression. McLaren didn't just design this car, they studied air itself, carving the body to cut through wind with surgical precision. Listen closely, the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 breathes 710 horsepower, 770 Newton-meters of torque, a sound that isn't just noise, it's music for those who understand speed. With one press of the throttle, silence turns to thunder. The back tires bite the road. In just 2.8 seconds, the McLaren launches forward, the world around it blurring into streaks of motion. The engine roars a sound you don't just hear, you feel in your chest. Inside, it's a world of focus and precision. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber. The driver sits low, cocooned in technology. The digital instrument cluster tilts and transforms with each drive mode: comfort, sport, track, and with every mode, the car's soul shifts. The steering wheel simple, clean, no distractions. Because when you drive a McLaren, it's just you and the machine. Your right foot is the conductor. The car is your orchestra. Now, through the open city streets, skyscrapers reflect across the black surface. Every shift of the transmission feels alive. Pedestrians pause. Cameras lift. Even in silence, it commands attention. Then, the scene opens to a coastal highway. The car dances through sweeping turns, its suspension reading the road like braille. Every correction, every input feels connected, mechanical, human. This is control at its purest form. The wheels spin, black forged alloys flashing silver in sunlight. Carbon ceramic brakes gleam behind them, ready to stop the storm in an instant. Through the glass rear deck, the engine glows softly, the heart of a beast, alive with energy.